In primetime news this evening, leaders inoculated. Prime Minister and opposition leader take AstraZeneca vaccine. Seniors sign up. TVJ News examines registration procedure for over 75 age vaccination. And another grim COVID record. Hospitalizations hit new high even with no available beds.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and also on the internet at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, I'll have the business day. Jordan Fort will have Primetime Sports. Sports commentary with Orwell Tracy. Dejan will have E-Prime and Romain will have your weather report and forecast. And we also want your input by responding to our feedback question. Our question this evening, what are your views on the use of tighter curfews over the next 3 weekends to contain the spike in COVID-19 cases? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.